Yo, what is up, everyone? I'm back here again with another video for Day Trade Dynasty. I hope you all are doing well today. I just caught a nice $400 move on MNQ, and I want to walk through exactly what I was thinking as I took this trade today. Mostly just for myself, but then if any of you are watching this, you guys can learn too. First of all, yesterday we had that insane move from all of the Trump tariffs and everything like that. And this morning, this is kind of what we were looking at on MNQ. This was the pre-market high. This was the pre-market low. I do my pre-market high and lows from 2 o'clock a.m. and forward. And so that's why it's here and not like up here. That's just what it is on QQQ and SPY, where the pre-market range is. So that's what I do. For this trade, we had the 15-minute opening range. That's this green line and this red line. As you can see, it's the first 15-minute candle. And then this one, we use the pre-market low as an extra confluence. So let's break it down on the 5-minute chart. We were also on the 5-minute chart rejecting the 9 and 21 EMAs right here. And this is where the trade was that I took. As you can see, we come down on the 5-minute, we break below and close on the 5-minute chart. And then we also closed below the 15-minute opening range on the 5-minute chart. And today, guys, I had to be very selective about the trades that I took because there's so many different Fed speakers, and there was CPI news this morning at 6:30, which was this candle right here. That was a nice little data candle we had. But I actually took this trade on a confirmation of the 5-minute, and I used the 1-minute to get a better entry. As you can see, this was my confirmation. We closed below here on this, and then on the 1-minute, that's what I was watching after that. This was the trade I took. So it was not the best risk to reward, as you can tell. And now we're probably going to go up here, and this had good volume. Sorry, that's totally off topic. But this is starting to rip higher right here. We could possibly see this come back up to here, or it might just reject and be choppy. Today is not the best conditions to be trading. Anyways, so we got the close below on the 5-minute. I switched to the 1-minute and was looking for an entry. We also had news come out at 8 o'clock, and with my prop firm rules, you have to wait at least like 3 minutes after news. So I wasn't able to capture any of this. I wanted to wait longer, so I waited until about 5 minutes after that, and then I saw us reject again. And so I was like, oh crap, I might have missed that. Luckily, I was waiting for this. I saw this close below these lows right here. So I entered on a little pushback up. Then I only entered with one contract right here because it has been insanely volatile and I wanted to be careful. So I was risking about $100 here. Again, this is a terrible risk to reward. Not my best trade, but that's why I'm doing these things. I entered one contract here at about 6:33. We pushed all the way up here and I was like, oh crap, I might get stopped out. And my stop, it was more like kind of up in here. I don't like to set like a hard stop, which maybe not the best sometimes, but I do that because you just get wicked out in this market so easily. So I like to kind of add one contract, have a bigger stop loss just to kind of give it room to breathe. And then if price kind of acts more bearish and starts coming back down towards where I want it to go, then I'll add more contracts. So I can even add my executions on this so you guys can see it. Here's my executions and execution labels. As you can see right here, I added one here at 6:33. We came up, and then as we came back down on this close here, on this candle, I added another one at 6:19 because we got back lower again. Then on this one, we pushed back up, and I was like, okay, we're probably just rebalancing a little bit, retracing. So that's where I added 3 more contracts. So I was in 5 total, and then boom, we got a nice push down. I sold all 4. So my average was up here in this one was 620, this one was 632, 633. So it's like what, 630-ish area. So that's about where my average was in here, more like this. And then we got this pushed down to low of day, got out right here at 584, 586. It's great, like not terrible. I feel like I'm very happy with how I managed my risk on this trade. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found value in this video, drop a subscribe and comment and like this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one.